In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off or on FaceTime live captions on your iPhone or iPad. This feature can be incredibly helpful for those who prefer or rely on visual assistance to understand spoken content during FaceTime calls. Let's dive in and make sure you know exactly how to manage this setting. To start off, grab your iPhone or iPad and navigate to the Settings app. You know that familiar grey icon with the gears? It houses most of the configuration options for your device. Go ahead and tap on it to open up the settings. Once you're in the settings menu, you'll want to scroll down a bit. Keep going until you spot the accessibility option. Accessibility is a comprehensive menu full of options designed to tailor your device to your specific needs, offering features such as voiceover, zoom, and of course, live captions. Tap on accessibility to move to the next step. Now, you should see a variety of sections, but the one we're interested in is labelled Hearing. This section is especially beneficial to anyone who needs auditory assistance. Under here, look for the option named Live Captions Beta. Even though it's still in beta, it's functional and can significantly enhance your FaceTime experience. Tap on it. Next up, you'll see a toggle switch that allows you to enable or disable live captions. Simply slide this switch to the right to turn it on or to the left to turn it off. When enabled, it will allow live captions to appear automatically whenever you're on a FaceTime call. These captions do an outstanding job at converting spoken language into text in real time right on your screen. It's a straightforward yet invaluable feature for those who benefit from reading instead of listening to conversations. Once you've toggled live captions according to your preference, you're pretty much all set. When the settings are enabled and you initiate a FaceTime call, you will see captions appear for spoken content throughout the call. This occurs automatically, helping to ensure that everyone can follow along with ease, enhancing both understanding and communication. That's all it takes to turn FaceTime live captions on or off on your iOS device. It's a simple but powerful tool to ensure that communication is accessible to anyone, regardless of hearing capabilities. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you want to make adjustments. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more useful tech tips and tutorials. Until next time, take care and enjoy using your device to its fullest potential.